In this video, we are going to discuss about shortcuts in arithmetic progression. First one is if mth term of AP is n and nth term of AP is that m, then what is that m plus nth term? That will be always equals to will be 0. For example, if you take that, so if ninth term is equals to this value is that 5. So ninth term is that 5 and here is the fifth term is equals to 9. Fifth term is equals to 9. Ninth term is equals to 5 and the fifth term will be equals to 9. Then what is that? M plus nth term, that means 9 plus 5 is the 14th term. Then T9 plus 5, that is equals to T14. So 14th term will be always will be equals to 0. Now you can be cross check this one whether is it the correct or not. See, look at this one. Here you can understand that one point. What is the ninth term of that AP? A plus 8 into D. A plus 8 into D. This value will be equals to how much? 5 is given. And the fifth term will be equals to A plus 4 into D. That value will be equals to what? 9. So now you subtract this one, you will be get that this is that minus and minus minus. Here this will be the cancel. This value will be nothing but 4D is equals to minus 4. So D is equals to how much this value? Minus 1. If D is equals to minus 1, substitute in any of that above expression. Therefore, so this is, let it be, you take this is that 1 and this one is that 2. Now substitute either in 1 or 2. So now you substitute in 1, therefore from 1, so what do you say that A value? A minus A plus 8 into minus 1 is equals to 5. From this value A minus 8 is equals to 5. So here A is equals to how much? That value will be equals to 13. A is equals to 13. So A value and B value you got it. Now according to that question, you have to prove that m plus nth term will be equals to 0. So what is that m plus nth term? 13th term. So that value will be T13 will be equals to A plus 12 into D. A plus 12 into D. Now here you substitute A value will be equals to 13 and plus 12 into, so this value will be 12 into minus 1. 12 into minus 1. So please once again you cross check this value. A minus 8 is equals to, here D value is that 5 minus 9 is minus 4. 4D is equals to minus 4. D is equals to minus 1. So next if you substitute this value, A plus 8 into minus 1 is equals to 5. Then minus 8. Minus 8 goes to the right side. 5 plus 8 is equals to, this value is the 13. So A is equals to 13. Now here you have to find out that this value will be, sorry, this is the 14th term. Not that this is that 14th term. Not that 13th term. This value will be 14th term. So here this value will be 14th term value. It should be equals to A plus 13 into D. This value will be A plus 13 into D. This value will be A plus 13 into D. Now substitute that A value. A is equals to 13 plus 13 into D value is that minus 1. So that is equals to 13 minus 13. So what is your answer? 0. So what we can understand? So if mth term of AP is that n and nth term of AP is equals to m, then m plus nth term will be always equals to 0. This one we can remember as one of the shortcut formula. So please all of you understand, this one is very careful. Next you see that one more shortcut formula. If mth term is n and nth term is that m, then rth term will be m plus n minus r. So we'll discuss that one example about this one. So here one example will be, for example, you take that T6 is equals to, this one is equals to 4. Okay, and T4 is equals to, T4 is equals to, this one is 6. Okay, that means the sixth term of AP is the 4, fourth term of AP is equals to 6. Now in above we have that m plus nth term of AP will be 0. But in this question, other than this value, so what is that seventh term of this value? What is that seventh term? So seventh term means R value will be equals to 7. Here in this one R is equals to 7. Now you can write this value will be 6 plus 4 minus 7. So 6 plus 4 minus 7 is equals to 10 minus 7, that is equals to 3. So therefore seventh term of AP will be equals to 3. Now this is that one of the shortcut formula. Now you can be verify is this satisfy or not. Fifth term of AP will be A plus sixth term of AP will be A plus 5 into D. A plus 5 into D is equals to 4. And fourth term of AP will be A plus 3D is equals to 6. Okay, now solving these two, let it be this is that equation 1 and this one as that equation 2. Okay, now by solving this one, so 1 minus 2 or 2 minus 1, anything you can take it. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. A and A will be cancelled. 5D minus 3D will be equals to 2 into D is equals to 4 minus 6 will be equals to minus 2. From this one D is equals to what is that value? Minus 1. So you got it that D value. This one you substitute in any one of that value. Any one of that equation 1 or equation 2. So therefore from equation 1. From 1. So you tell me what is that from 1. This one will be A plus 5 into minus 1 is equals to 4. A plus 5 into minus 1 is equals to 4. From this value A is equals to, this value is that 9. A is equals to, this value will be 9. A is equals to 9. Okay, so now this A value and D value both substitute. Here you want to find that which value according to that above example you should be find out that seventh term. You should be find out that seventh term. Seventh term will be nothing but this value will be equals to T7. T7 value will be equals to A plus 6 into D. What is that A value? A is equals to 9 plus 6 into what is that D value? Minus 1. So this value will be equals to 9 minus 6, that is equals to 3. So according to above the statement, according to that above statement, now you can remember if mth term is that n and mth term is that m, then rth term will be m plus n minus r. So here I got it that by applying the shortcut formula, whatever I got that answer, general procedure also I will get that same answer. So please try to remember this one as one of the shortcut in arithmetic progression. Next we'll see that one more example. See, look at this one. If n into tm is equals to m into tn, then what is that m plus nth term? That value will be equals to 0. See, example will be, this example will be here 5 into T4 is equals to 4 into T5. Now here m and n values, n value is the 5, m value is the 4. Then we can say that Tm plus n, that will be 5 plus 4, that is equals to T9. So ninth term of AP will be equals to 0. This is that example for the above shortcut formula. Now here we consider that general procedure. General procedure is that what? T4 is equals to A plus 3 into D. A plus 3 into D. And next value is that T5 is equals to A plus 4 into D. Now substitute in that above relation 5 into T4 is equals to 4 into T5. That means here you can write it, this value will be 5 into T4. T4 value is that how much? A plus 3 into D is equals to, here 4 into T5 value will be A plus 4 into D. Now simplify this value. From this one we can write that 5A plus 15 into D. 5A plus 15 into D is equals to, here this value will be 4A plus 16 into D. Now you get that all A terms in one side and D terms will be other side. 5A minus 4A, 5A minus 4A is equals to 16 into D minus 15 into D. Now substitute all these values in this one. That means you will be get that A is equals to D. A is equals to D. Now A is equals to D. Now you take this value here according to that given statement. What is that m plus nth term? M plus nth term will be nothing but T9. So T9 value will be equals to A plus 8 into D. A plus 8 into D. So what is that A value? So how can we find its A value? See, here by observing this one, you can write that A plus this value will be ninth term. Ninth term will be A plus 8 into D. So here one thing you have to be remember. One thing you have to be remember. This one is by substituting. So A is equals to, here is that you got it that A is equals to D. A is equals to D means this one will be A plus 8 into D. A plus 8 into D, and that means A plus 8 into A. A plus 8 into A. That value will be equals to 9A. Once you check this one, here anywhere is this one is that a mistake in this formula. So once you check it, so here this value will be equals to, this is that, this value will be equals to m plus nth term will be equals to 0. M plus nth term will be equals to 0 means how you can substitute this value? A is equals to, this value is that D. A is equals to D, you can check it. Now here by observing, so once by cross check this result, you will be get that correct value. Now you see here in this value, here in this value, once you check these values, here in this one minute, so let us verify this value. Oh sorry, here the formula is that wrong nana. Once you check this value, see here this value will be n into this value, you can write that n into Tn. This value is that n into Tn is equals to m into Tm. Then we will be get this value. So here also you will be replace, this one will be write that T5, 5 into T5 is equals to 4 into T4. Then we will be get this value. Now again you cross check these values. Now after this one, 5 into this value will be, you can be verify this one. See, so here according to above result, you will be get this one will be now 5 into, here 5 into T5 is that A plus 4D, A plus 4D, okay, and is equals to 4 into T4, T4 will be A plus 3 into D. Now multiply this value, this one will be 5 into A plus 20 into D is equals to, this value will be 4A plus 12 into D. Okay, now you get it that 4A is the left side, 5A minus 4A is equals to 12 into D minus 20 into D. Okay, now from this one we can write that A is equals to minus 8 into D. Minus 8 into D. So this is that A value. Now what is that formula? M plus nth term value, you should prove that 0. So m plus nth term will be equals to 0 means, therefore here is that T9 value is that a plus 8 into d. So what is that a value? Minus 8 into d. Minus 8d plus 8d, this value will be equals to 0. So general procedure also you can prove this one. So please all of you remember this one as that one of the shortcut formula in arithmetic progression. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.